There she goes, follows the sun's soft trace. Gentle footsteps upon the meadow's face. Floating whispers among the willows sway. In the dawn's light where the fawns come to play. She moves in silence, a ballet unrehearsed. In nature's hall where her soul is immersed.